Frankenstein C20 here today. This afternoon, we got this van right here, 2001 GMC 2500, 3/4 ton. This here is pretty much my workhorse. Use it pretty much every day, and put new tires on here a couple months ago, and well, started losing a little bit of air yesterday. I don't know if it's just the cold weather, not driving it enough, or whatever, but it is important to keep your air pressure up. It could be a dangerous thing. You're going to lose gas mileage. You know, you're running way too low, you could blow that tire out. You know, and when you spend money on new tires, you don't want to waste it. And everything I got now has got new tires on it. Let's see, that's 4, 8, 12, and then the bus, another, 6? There's 18 brand new tires on these vehicles, so it's important to keep them up. So today, I'm going to check my pressure, put some air in it. I put some air in it yesterday, but it was awful cold at the gas station. And you know, you just get a little bit of gas or some air and you run. So anyway, today I'm going to check this out. Tires call for like 44 max pressure. We're going to see where they're at. This one was really looking low, and I'm going to probably pump them up to about 40 all the way around. I think that ought to be good. So let's check it out, see what we got. Okay, there's 40 in that one. It's about 15 pounds light. See where we're at with this one here. All right, so yeah, got 40 in each one now. So yeah, after I get off here, I'll jump to the other side, get them topped off. But yeah, just a little reminder, keep the air checked in your tires. It's an important thing, often overlooked. You know, just one of them little things you got to keep up on top of. And when you got multiple vehicles, it's all about maintenance, keep things moving. So till next time, we'll see you. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.